Cold wind, looking through my window, the cold wind blows. No snowflake to be seen. Winter calls a thing. It reminds him of the good times when kids were full of rhymes, and life was simple, with problems that were only triple. Will they come back again, or will he have to endure this current pain? Some memories were tragic, some memories were nostalgic. The cold wind never stops blowing, and his mirror continues glowing. It shows him what he has done in a quiet and calm tone. Now everything is different, and he plays his favorite instrument when the cold wind blows.